Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PSD file in Photoshop. To begin, locate your PSD file on your computer. The simplest way to open it is by double-clicking the file icon. This action will automatically launch Photoshop and load your design. Alternatively, you can open Photoshop first, then navigate to the File menu, select Open, and browse to your PSD file's location. Both methods effectively get your project ready for editing. Once your PSD file is open, the Layers panel is crucial. This panel, usually on the right side of your screen, shows every individual component of your design. Each text box, image, shape, or effect exists on its own layer. Understanding layers allows for precise editing. Simply click on a layer in the panel to select it, making its content active for any adjustments you wish to make. With your layers understood, you can now edit the content. Click on a text layer to change words or fonts. Select an image layer to resize or reposition it. Smart objects are particularly powerful, allowing you to edit embedded content without losing quality. Remember to use adjustment layers for color corrections or effects, as these are non-destructive and can be easily modified or removed later. After making your edits, saving your work is essential. To retain all layers and future editing capabilities, always save your file as a PSD. When you're ready to share or use your design outside of Photoshop, you'll want to export it. Go to File, then Export or Save as to choose formats like JPEG or PNG. Select the best format and quality settings for your specific needs, whether for web, print, or other uses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.